In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download a Google Drive video that is set to view only. If you've ever tried to access a Google Drive video and noticed that it's marked as view only, you might have found it frustrating that you couldn't download it directly. This restriction is set by the owner to protect the content from unauthorized downloads or edits. Essentially, you can stream it as much as you like, but downloading and sharing are off the table, unless you receive explicit permission from the owner. So how do you go about getting that access? Let's dive into the steps. First, when you come across a video in Google Drive that is set to view only, your primary option is to click on the share button. This is usually found at the top right corner of the screen. Once you click it, you'll see an option to request access. Go ahead and click on that to begin the process of reaching out to the video owner. This leads us to the next crucial step, asking the owner for permission. Sending a request is simple, but what's in that request message can make all the difference. This is where you take a moment to communicate why you need access. A short, polite message will greatly increase your chances of getting the access you need. You might want to say something like, "Could you please grant me access to share and download the file you've shared? I need it for a project I'm working on, thanks." Being courteous and specific can help the owner understand your need and decide to provide the access you're requesting. Now, after you've sent your request, it's time to play the waiting game. Keep in mind that the owner might not respond immediately, and patience here is key. If it's a time-sensitive request, you might want to follow up with a reminder if you haven't heard back after a day or two. For situations where the owner agrees but downloading is still a problem, there's another possible solution. You can ask the owner to share a downloadable link with you. This can be achieved quite easily. The owner can simply generate a direct download link from their Google Drive and send it via email or any other cloud platform that's convenient for both of you. Remember, building a good rapport and maintaining a respectful tone can go a long way in ensuring your request is positively received. By carefully following these steps, you'll have a better chance of downloading the view-only video from Google Drive with the owner's consent. Keep in mind that respecting other people's content is important, so always seek and obtain permission before attempting to download content that's not yours. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below.